All right. Here we go. This track. There's another track over there.
Oh, should we go try it?
Yeah, let's try that one.
Jason.
Vince, as soon as #1 tractor is ready. Just look for the guy.
She's going this way? Yeah. But I'm gonna stand here.
Yeah, this guy's got the right idea.
Yeah.
I like that body. Is that the Pro Line one, or? Yeah. Looks good. Is that on, just on a 2-wheel drive Slash? Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, why? No, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I was looking at yours and I drove into this parking thing. I was like, why is my lunchbox stuck? It's not moving. Oh yeah. Dude, this could be another race course. Oh. When I fixed the linkage, I didn't reset the trim. So now it wants to turn. Hold on. I need to fix something. Now it goes left. No. Does that work? No. Oh, almost. Fuck. Missed it.
Hey-o.
Nice.
Oh, wait. Can't get the horn.
Is yours dead?
There we go. Just activating the horn. You want to line it up here, Winston?
Yeah. All right. Whenever you're ready.
Camera going. 3, 2, 1, go! I got a sound box of mine, yeah.
Ooh. Oh my god. No! Woo. There we go. We gotta start over again. You got a horn too?
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright.
Alright. Call it.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
Where's your wheelie?
I don't have enough juice anymore.
Oh. Bummer. Where's the turn? Oh, final corner. Oh, you almost made it. That was close.
Yeah, that's sport tune.
I'm also sport tune.
What's that?
I'm also sport tune. Oh, did you see that?
No, yeah, so I think you got the sport tune.
Yeah.
Mine's
But-
still sitting in a box on my shelf. I gotta put it in.
I'm on nickel metal hydride.
Oh,
This
yeah, but
is-
if that's charged,
yeah, that's true.
you got a good like 3 minutes more power than I do. Because I think this battery I have in is at like...
Is it dying?
yeah.
Just run out.
70%.
Okay. All right. Want to do a three car race now?
I'm in. We'll be chasing that beetle the entire way.
Yeah, we will. All right, call it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, wheelie.
I tried.
Wheelie start. No. Oh. We need some help. Can you help us both? Thank you. Now we go help the other guy.
Nice.
Yes. All right. Let's just drive around. Oh, turn too fast and you flip over. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Why did you stop there?
I was trying to make the turn. I hit the brakes.
Let's see if my depth perception.
Excellent work.
All right.
So hard.
Oh, there you go. You got a wheelie.
Yeah, I can only do a wheelie in like monster truck fashion, where you reverse the forward.
Oh shit. Ew, those bearings are good. Keep spinning. Thank you.
Yeah, I was running on the track with them. Oh, wait. Yeah. It's a fun looking car. I haven't pulled a trigger on one of those yet.
Which one's this one? That's a low C? Okay, we gotta go back.
Yeah.
Alright, that was fun.